Have a break. Have a tweet. Isaac's a terrible blogger. He's said nothing so far. You're the Tessa Brooks of the...
I don't know who Tessa Brooks is.
I shouldn't know who Tessa Brooks is. Plymouth! That's nice. Apart from the ply covering up the window there.
Oh yeah.
Hi. So, travel update. We are it is 10 to 2.
We are at Cafe Station.
Yep. Bodmin Parkway. It's
no.
the home to certain scenes in Doc Martin, which isn't fun, but it's the only fact I've got about Bodmin Parkway.
Increased in altitude because I need to pop my earphones.
I don't know.
Zoom in on the old ears.
Now zoom in on the new ears.
Fun fact, they're different sizes.
You have what?
I have different sized ears. That girl, she was like streaming and like some old, like in like a restaurant, and then an old man came up and like came up to the camera and just like looked at me and was like, "You really aren't that interesting," and just walked off, and she was just there like, good story. Everyone enjoyed it. Everyone enjoyed myself.
Yes, all one of you enjoyed it.
We are almost there. Say we are almost there. We are.
That was depressing. One more stop.
This has been a long train journey.
It really has.
This has been a long time.
It has.
This is going to be painful on Wednesday.
Oh yeah.
That'll have to do.
Your legs are so hairy. What the fuck? Do you not give Laura friction burns? Yep, all the time.
That's nice. Okay.
That's good to think.
Well, good morning, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, go to bed, and welcome to Train Bros.
Fuck you.
If you're not watching this, you're more than welcome to watch this, and if you're watching this, go fuck yourself. I'm here with Isaac.
Do you have nothing better to do?
I'm here with Isaac Fraser,
That's me.
Ollie Lupton.
That's me.
Series 1 of Train Bros has come to an end. We've milked the footage for all it's worth, and there's literally nothing else to do with it.
We've used everything.
Yes.
Even the bits Isaac filmed.
Yeah. It's just one clip that I wanted to put in, but it's just not funny, and there's just a bit of you just with the camera going, "Oh, I'm just chilling in Cedar Rapids," and then you just go,
Fuck me, that wasn't funny. Jesus fucking
and
Christ.
then you just hear me at the end go,
Don't worry, it won't be going in.
It was funny at the time.
It wasn't. We're filming this at a lovely time of year where it's raining and we're barely allowed to spend time with each other, but you know what, it's not going to stop us. We've got the door open and it's nice spitting rain. We're already pushing the boundaries by being inside, but it's open. I want to stress that on the other side of this camera there's an open door providing air ventilation, and we are not as close as we would have been.
Yeah.
Luckily we're no
Not
longer
as close
friends,
as
so it's very easy not to
I
be close
want
to
to
each
be.
other. There you go, he's ready. I don't know where my mask has gone. I had it, but I've lost it.
It's right behind you, you muppet.
Oh, there you go.
They're unironic COVID lid.
Yeah, you can't see it on the camera because my hood's blocking it. Luckily that we're not alive in the 40s, like if we were trying to do Train Bros in the middle of a war.
That'd be fun.
I don't think it would have happened,
Oh no.
quite simply.
I'm fairly sure in some places they put like guns and shit on trains. I know that,
On the
I mean
front
in
of the
World War
train.
One. No, on like the carriages have like
It's a
artillery.
turret.
Just going along.
Yeah, unironically. Yeah, unironically.
I don't think
We're
that
going
was
through, going
I
through
think
slap.
that's World War One.
I don't think it would have been a passenger locomotive somehow. To be fair, the majority of my memories that I do have of the holiday are literally just contained in the footage we filmed.
Yeah.
I don't remember much of what we did,
I mean-
which is good because what we did off camera was play Monopoly.
I remember
Yeah.
winning Monopoly.
You did win
Fuck
Monopoly.
you.
I remember not wanting to play Monopoly and deliberately
then-
tried to sabotage myself, and Isaac still came last.
Imagine losing to someone who
He wasn't trying to
wanted
play. Imagine getting like the rich quarter of the board and still coming last.
High risk, high reward.
Didn't work
But
out
not
that
in my
way.
case. In
No,
my case,
not in your case.
stupid risk. Penzance is such a shithole.
That's one thing we learnt about our trip to Penzance is we shouldn't have gone to Penzance.
But how much time did we actually spend in Penzance?
How long does it take me to walk? Up and down hills.
Can you walk?
I can walk. I can walk now.
I don't know if that we proved that on in Cornwall. See, we shot the whole thing in Penzance like it was just going to be dreadful, and arguably it is, but we ended up making it a bit more wholesome than it was supposed to be, because a lot of it was just supposed to be shitposty, but we ended up making it very different. Ah.
Yes, that's why you brought me.
Yeah.
Because I just say shit.
Yeah, it's great. It's like a random word generator.
Yeah, and none of the shit I say was funny, but the context of it not being funny, I
Made
feel
it funny.
Makes it quite funny.
That's the twist.
Man United, Man City, Red Shirt Team, Soccer Football.
Gatherings.
I just wanted that to sit in the air for a little bit.
Oh wow.
Guacamole torture. Or CBT. Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna leave that there.
I just found a blackberry.
Remember when we went to the... Oh shit, I thought that was a stapler.
Cancelled.
It says paid.
There you go, you can have another snap.
Yay.
Copy for your information.
Copy for your information.
2.
Hey, number 2. So please. That's sick. I love it. They got the Smiths. Have you said boobs?
P-Master contributes the worst bit.
Oh no, not boobs, sorry. I beg your pardon.
Right, travel update. Stay
Older than the trees, younger than friends growing, breeze country roll, taking home to the play.
Nothing.
Music, take 'em all, country, all my limbs free, gather round, music, changes Fantastic painted on the sky, mosquitoes. Teardrop in my mosquitoes. Overlapping lyrics. Take me home to the play. Music. Big man. Bungee roll. I'm here in the mall. Time on me. Music. I should have been yesterday. Music. Country roll. Take me more to the play. Laughing. Take me home. Applause music. It's a good song.
Brilliant.
Right, thank you very much for your continued support in watching through all the Train Bros content, both for the best ofs and the deleted scenes. We did the holiday a year ago, and we're glad that it's finally come to light, and you can see all of the fun content that we filmed while we were down there for what it's worth. We hope that you join us soon when we eventually do go to Glasgow in the succeeding months, and hopefully you'll get just as much enjoyment from watching that as we will have from going there. That was a great outro, definitely scripted. Now, please get some sleep or go to work. Thank you for watching. Au reservoir.
Didn't know what was going on there.